Another round of Bellinis, please. We're celebrating.
Enjoy.
Is your vagina always this magnetic?
Dude, she's really hot. Look at these breasts!
Oh, why does my cappuccino taste like a mocha?
The barista was new, so maybe she made it wrong.
Hard work really does pay off.
I really can't tell if I'm turned on or if I want to like gouge out his eyes and force feed him his own testicles.
I saw you here the other day and I was gonna say something, but then I didn't because I kind of find you incredibly intimidating.
Wow, that's some poor judgment.
Olivia?
So, what do you want?
I do have some ideas. Hey, sexy.
It's like he's a carnival ride, fun but totally unreliable.
Can I help you?
I didn't mean to blow you off last night.
I put on normal clothes for you. Get the hell out!
You're being dramatic, okay?
Do you swallow?
It depends on the guy, but yeah.
You swallow. Duh. What do you do in bed?